Bonjour tout le monde. In today's video I will show you how to change the shock absorber for the tailgate of this Volvo V70 generation 3 from 2009. It's not electrically assisted tailgate, it's manual, so I don't know for the high level how to process, so I cannot tell you if it's available for that also. As you can see, the shock absorber is situated along the roof, and you can access by removing a part of plastic who hold the ceiling. Allez, au travail! This is the replacement part that I bought on Scandic's shop. It's a quality choice. It's a German website who sell mostly Swedish parts for Saab and Volvo. I'm used to buy there because the quality is good and the service is perfect. I will let the link in the description. I don't have any partnership with them, just I wanted to show you. First, you remove the ceiling light. It's easy. You have a notch here with a small screwdriver. Unplug. Second step, remove this cover. It's just clip, so pull up gently. It's always stressful, mate. No choice. Before to remove this cover, you have 8mm bolt inside. You have both sides this shell that you have to remove also. Same concept, it's clipped. No, always scary. Always scary. Like that you have more room to access to the bottom of the shock absorber. As you can see, one extremity of the shock absorber is held by here, and the other one, you can see here, the other extremity is locked on the hinge. To remove this side of the shock absorber, you have to pull up on the left to unlock. By hopping, it's enough. That's not sure. I will use the blade of the screwdriver to make a kind of lever, if I can. Remove this clip first. No more spring, so the shock absorber should come alone. Almost alone. For the other side, same. I will remove the clip. Alors, I was really stupid because I forgot to put a stick to hold the tailgate. And of course, when I removed the shock absorber from inside, the tailgate fell down to me. Common sense. I thought the other shock absorber will hold enough, but look like no. So don't forget to put a stick. It's not the same design because that one is the Volvo original and that one is from Scandix, but the result is the same. I will remove the clip to see if I can install but easier. Honestly, better the original. I will try by opening a little. This is modern engineering. No more comment. So you must remove the clip. For the shock absorber aftermarket, you must to remove and preferably try to remove before to install the shock absorber, because look now. See the clip. Possibly you should have to push or to push a little your tailgate to be able to install the extremity of the shock absorber. I will use a flat screwdriver that I will insert here to push the rod of the shock absorber. Honestly, guys, spend more but buy original parts, at least for that, because it's a nightmare to install. If you lose the clip, you're dead. Well, guys, finally I got it, but almost 2 hours. You can see outside it's almost dark. Almost 2 hours to get this one. So, if I can advise you, buy original part. Buy the Volvo original part. For that, at least for that. It's working. I'm happy. I'm partially happy, but it's not what I expected on the video, but life is like that. Allez. We finished by reassembling all the parts, and that's it. I will put on the description the reference number, because it's that one that you must to buy, guys. I really strongly recommend you. Or maybe I'm wrong during the fitment, but if you know, guys, so let in the description a comment. It will be helpful for everybody. We put back the shells. There is 4 notches that you have to insert inside that first. And then you clip. Like the Bugatti from Matt Armstrong. Just clip. The other side now, same concept. The last shell, remember about the clip, check if everything is here. Don't forget the wire for the light. The seal. The bolt inside the compartment light. And finally the light. You're done. Allez, expect 2 days to do that. For the tailgate struts, guys, I really advise you, buy original parts. Buy original parts. At least for the tailgate struts, buy original parts. It's working. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. It's good for the channel. Cheers, bye bye.